Welcome to our channel, Upholstery Technology. And we have the car of the day. This is the 2024 Ford F-150 crew cab. And we are going to be doing the Lunar Grey inserts. This is a special design. It's a black wrap with an stone stitch. And you can buy this and many other types of colors, configurations, piping, contrast stitch, you name it, different kind of perforations, exotic colors, all available at LeatherTeck.com or emupholsterytechnology.com. And I know it doesn't look that nice right now, but you have to wait until we complete this installation so you can see how beautiful it's going to look. And it's going to go into this brand new 2024 F-150. This is the XLT with two front buckets. If you have a different configuration, we do have it too. And for the rear, we have no armrest. Split 60-40, guys. You don't need to know much about these things. You just take the picture, send it to us, or talk to us over the phone. We can tell you exactly what is that you need, so we can save you order. And again, guys, visit emupholsterytechnology.com or LeatherTeck.com so you can start the buying process and enjoy your beautiful, comfortable, luxurious leather seats.